Whether you're short on time or just need a snack now, microwaves are a kitchen staple, but you don't have to buy them very often. A good microwave should last you for years to come. If you're in the market for a new microwave, you might be feeling overwhelmed by all the choices. In this video, we'll present you the top 5 best microwaves on the market today. So if you want to know what microwaves will work for you, stay tuned. Hi everyone, I am Ben, and this is ReviewTube. We do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. If this is your first time on this channel and you're looking for more information and details about a specific product, then start now by clicking on the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. All the links about the products mentioned in this review will be in the description section below this video. So if you want to find the links where you can find these products at the best prices and more information, click Show More if you are on your PC, or the arrow down if you are on your phone. Now, let's get into the video. First on the list as best overall, we chose Panasonic's NNSN686S countertop built-in microwave. Power, efficiency, a space-saving design, and all for a reasonable price? It's no wonder that this Panasonic model is our top pick. The mid-sized microwave fits on most countertops without taking up all your cooking space, yet it is still large enough to fit a full-size dinner plate or a 9-inch square glass baking dish. It packs 1200 watts of power, which is ideal for most households, and it comes with plenty of extras like an option to keep food warm, a sensor that adjusts both cooking time and power depending on the food, and of course, the ever-important popcorn button. It also comes with a feature Panasonic calls Advanced Inverter Turbo Defrost, which will defrost foods more quickly than other models, a helpful feature when you forget to take chicken breasts out of the freezer the night before. Inverter technology delivers microwave energy in a way that allows delicate foods to simmer without overcooking. In addition, foods retain more color, texture, and nutrients for fast, easy, and delicious results. Finally, it wins points for its sleek stainless steel design. It's a perfect fit in most modern kitchens. The smart compact design of the inverter power unit devotes less space to electronics and provides far more interior capacity. These smaller, more efficient energy and control units are also up to 8 pounds lighter than conventional microwave components, all of which adds up to more interior space while taking up less space on a counter. By the way, if you think about another product you'd like us to review, go ahead and put it in the comments down below, and we will make it happen. Next on the list as best budget, we chose Westinghouse's WCM660B microwave oven. The straightforward design of this compact microwave oven keeps things quick and simple while delivering the quality that the Westinghouse name is known for. The compact 0.6 cubic foot size and lightweight construction with a comfortable grip handle and curved edges makes this unit perfect for a small apartment or college dorm room. The dial controls are a bit of a throwback in place of the more modern buttons, but this 600-watt model has 6 different power levels: high, medium, medium-low, defrost, and low. Simply choose the power level and cooking time, up to 30 minutes, and you're ready to go. Keep in mind that because the wattage in this microwave is half that of our top choice, it will take food a bit longer to warm, but if you're heating up a bowl of soup or popping popcorn, the time shouldn't be a huge difference. Once you get into defrosting meals, it will take a little longer. That's what makes this machine ideal for simple reheating or cooking for one. Finally, one last point in this model's favor is how easy it is to clean. The turntable is fully removable and dishwasher safe, or easy to clean with soap and water if you're using it in a dorm room. Next as best high-end, we chose Samsung's MG14H 3020CM countertop microwave oven with grill. One of the biggest complaints about microwaves is that food never gets brown and crisp. This oven solves that problem with its grill feature that combines microwaving with a grilling element and a ceramic plate, so food can crisp and brown while taking advantage of super-fast cooking. This has 10 power levels, a 1.4 cubic foot interior, and an LED display that's easy to read, even from a distance. For an elegant look, this has a shiny mirror finish and an asymmetric shape. The interior has a ceramic enamel interior for easy cleaning while also being scratch resistant. Auto cook options make it easy to cook common foods without guesswork. This has a slightly lower wattage at 950 watts, but the additional cooking functions speed the cooking time, so it can be as fast or faster than microwaves that don't have the additional features. While the mirror finish looks good, it means you can't watch the food as it cooks. A slightly smaller version of this model with a windowed door is also available. Overall, sized to fit your kitchen counter, this handy appliance combines traditional eating technology with a grilling element and a ceramic plate, allowing you to prepare sandwiches, bacon, fish, and other foods that are improved by a crispy finish. We would love to hear which of these amazing microwaves you'd like to get. Put that in the chat box below, and let's see what the majority of the viewers like the most. Next on the list as best mid-range, we have the Samsung MS11K3000AS countertop microwave oven. A top seller in its category, here's another microwave you might want to consider. What makes this one from Samsung great and noteworthy is all the features. Thanks to vapor sensing technology, it can automatically adjust the cooking time based on how quickly the food is heating up in there. It's also got an easy-to-clean ceramic enamel interior, so if you do happen to make a mess in there, you can effortlessly remove the grease or oil with a cloth. 3 microwave distribution points help food cook more evenly and thoroughly. The microwave has a modern design, and striking ice blue LEDs add style to your kitchen. Displays settings and times in large and highly visible text for greater cooking convenience. And easy-to-use dial control allows you to add or decrease time while it's cooking, adding convenience and precision. Overall, it's a bit bigger in terms of dimensions and weight, but if you have room for it, perhaps it's worth the money you'll save, since this one is with an affordable price. The 1.1 cubic foot capacity of this microwave accommodates a variety of snacks and meal items and lets you prepare foods quickly and easily. Customers love the modern look of it and say that it works great and is very user-friendly. To finish our list, we have the bestseller, Panasonic's NN-SU696S countertop microwave. This countertop Panasonic Microwave model has dropped in price, currently sitting at around $100, and is now an affordable option for those who are looking for a little extra space and quick results. The NN-SU696S is a 1.4 cubic foot countertop microwave with 1100 watts of power and a lot of features that you'll probably find familiar. There are 7 pre-programmed buttons for specific foods, including an advanced popcorn button, an add 30 seconds button option, a basic timer screen. The one part that may be of particular interest is the Genius Sensor option. With Genius Sensor Cook Reheat, Panasonic takes the guesswork out of creating great meals by automatically setting power levels and adjusting cooking or defrosting time. The Genius Sensor does the thinking for you, measuring the amount of steam produced during cooking and signaling the oven's microprocessor to precisely calculate the remaining cooking time at any power level. With its sleek stainless steel door and base and stainless silver body, the powerful Panasonic 1100-watt microwave makes a stylish and convenient addition to any home, apartment, or condo kitchen. The NN-SU696S has a sleek embossed look membrane keypad and touch controls, plus a 12.4-inch turntable to evenly heat and cook breakfast foods, after-school snacks, dinners, appetizers, and more. Ideal for singles, busy professionals, and on-the-go families, the Panasonic NN-SU696S provides both manual and automatic cooking options, plus an interior big enough for a 12-inch casserole dish, and a stylish exterior guaranteed to complement any kitchen decor. From all these products, about 80% of people have chosen the Panasonic NN-SU696S and bought it from Amazon. We have put a link to that product in the description below so you can check it out. That would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And if you did, please go ahead and give us a like. If you're new to the channel and you like it, please consider to subscribe. We also do all kinds of videos like this for all kinds of different products, all aimed at providing you the selection of the best products, making your decision easier. Please let us know which of the products from this selection you liked and why. Also, if we missed a product that you think is missing in this list, or you would like for us to make a review of some other products, put it in the comments section below. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.